Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my curly to straight natural hair routine. I believe it was a fail, but I want y'all to let me know. Do you think I failed or do you think that I actually did good? These are the products that I use on my hair. I do want to mention that I did forget to put leave-in conditioner in my hair, so that may have been a reason why it was a fail. Starting off on freshly washed hair, sectioning my hair into 4 sections, spraying the ApHogee heat protectant with protein onto my hair, and I'm going to section my 4 sections into partial sections, and then I'm going to go through with my heat protectant, spray that on my hair to keep from getting any heat damage, and I'm using the tension method to blow dry my hair. That way I'm not having so many passes through my hair with the comb. For those that have been following me for a couple of months, you guys know that the front of my hair is a 3C texture, so it's a lot easier to manage. So the front of my hair was no problem. It was just the back of my hair that had a lot of kinks at my ends. So I went back over my hair on the cold setting on my blow dryer just so that my hair wouldn't be so staticky when I did flat iron it. So at this moment I decided to do a middle part on my hair. Later on I do change that. So again, I section my hair into 4 sections, and I again reapplied some heat protectant on my hair from Tresemme, and I begin the flat iron process. You want to try to only pass through with the flat iron 1 time on each hair strand to minimize your chances of getting heat damage. I did not listen. I'm not going to tell you guys how many times I did go over my hair with the flat iron, but let's just say that I was very afraid that I would get heat damage. As I flat iron each section, I did try to go in and trim my ends where I saw needed. I'm not really a professional trimmer. I'm just comfortable with trimming my own hair. I would just tell anyone that wants some advice on trimming their hair that you should trim wherever you see unevenness, quote unquote, if that's a word, or for us naturals that do get small knots at the end of their hair, you would definitely want to go ahead and trim that off. This section of my hair that I'm doing right now was the section that gave me the most issues, and I will say throughout the entire week and a half that I had my hair straightened, that section never got straight. I wrapped my hair at least 3-4 times a day. My hair stayed wrapped pretty much the entire time I had it straight, and it never laid down. It never followed the instructions that I wanted it to follow, let's just say that. That's the back of my hair. As you guys can see, I'm not very pleased with my results so far. The front of my hair was a lot easier, like I said earlier, so I didn't have any issues with the front of my hair. So I'm going to just let you guys watch this section since it's pretty self-explanatory. And these are my semi-final results. As you guys was able to see earlier, I'm extremely exhausted. It took me maybe about 4 hours to do my hair from start to finish. So I was very tired. I was frustrated because it didn't turn out the way I was used to. Keynote that I want to tell everyone: straighten your hair while you have heat damage or heat trained hair versus straightening your hair when it's completely natural, no heat damage, no damage at all, is completely different. I was an extreme pro at straightening my hair before I did my big chop in January, and let's just say that next time I do decide to straighten my hair, I will be going to the professionals, because this was a lot more complicated than I had imagined it to be. So now I'm just going through bumping the ends of my hair and also going through to trim any excess ends that I felt needed to be trimmed. I did lower the heat setting on my flat iron to do this part because I had realized that I already put so much heat on my hair. So I'm just going to go through, trim a little bit more, bump my ends, and I'll come back and show you guys my final look. And I'm completely finished, you guys. This is my final look. I hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Not always am I going to get perfect results, so I want you guys to let me know in the comment section if you think this is a fail, if you think that I did pretty good. If you have any suggestions or any questions, just let me know. I think it was pretty decent, I'm not going to lie, but it definitely wasn't what I expected. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share this video to all of your social media pages. Check out my other previous videos if you are new to my channel, and I will definitely see you guys soon. Thanks for watching.